Hey everyone, welcome to our video. Today, we're going to talk about the burning question. Can you bring a handheld vacuum on a plane? As you know, airports have strict rules and regulations, especially when it comes to what you can bring in your carry-on baggage. So, let's dive into the details and find out if a handheld vacuum can make it through security. Please check the description link, I will provide details information. Before we discuss whether handheld vacuums are allowed on planes, it's important to understand the guidelines set by airport security and transportation authorities. These regulations are in place to ensure passenger safety and maintain a smooth travel experience for everyone. Let's take a closer look. So, can you bring a handheld vacuum on a plane? The answer is yes, with some conditions. Most airlines do allow handheld vacuums in your carry-on luggage, but there are a few key points to keep in mind to ensure a hassle-free journey. Firstly, check the airline's specific regulations regarding electronic devices. While handheld vacuums are generally allowed, it's important to verify any size, weight, or battery restrictions they may have. Always refer to your airline's website or contact their customer service to get accurate and up-to-date information. In addition to airline regulations, it's crucial to consider airport security guidelines. When passing through the security checkpoint, you'll need to remove the handheld vacuum from your bag and place it in a separate bin for screening. Remember to pack the vacuum securely in your carry-on to prevent any damage during the screening process. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel.